Welcome back to Motorsports Mania, your go-to destination for deep dives into legendary cars, modern machines, and everything in between. In today's episode, we're exploring the bold and much-anticipated 2026 Toyota FJ Land Cruiser. This is more than just a revival of a nameplate. It's a statement, a tribute to Toyota's off-road legacy blended with modern engineering and a futuristic design philosophy. The FJ Land Cruiser is back, and it's ready to shake up the world of rugged SUVs with its heritage-driven yet thoroughly contemporary personality. The 2026 Toyota FJ Land Cruiser reimagines the spirit of the original FJ40 with a futuristic twist. Toyota didn't just redesign the exterior for looks, they engineered it to perform. The new FJ Land Cruiser rides on Toyota's TNGA-F body-on-frame platform, the same robust architecture that underpins the latest full-size Land Cruisers and Tundras. It's a strong, capable foundation that ensures the vehicle retains the traditional off-road DNA while integrating modern materials and construction techniques to reduce weight and improve rigidity. Visually, the 2026 FJ Land Cruiser has a striking and unmistakable presence. It features a boxy silhouette with short overhangs, wide fenders, and round LED headlights that echo the design of the original FJ40. The grille is bold and wide, housing a retro-styled Toyota script that gives it a commanding face. Large skid plates, high ground clearance, and exposed tow hooks add to its off-road demeanor. The body cladding is both functional and rugged-looking, while the contrasting roof color and roof rails provide a classic touch. A rear-mounted spare tire and swing-out tailgate round off the back, reminding us that this vehicle is not just for show, but for real trail-blazing adventures. Under the hood, Toyota has equipped the 2026 FJ Land Cruiser with an efficient yet powerful hybrid powertrain. It features a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine mated to an electric motor for a combined output of around 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. This power is sent to all four wheels through a full-time four-wheel drive system with a two-speed transfer case. Toyota also offers features like a locking rear differential and multi-terrain select, which allows the driver to adjust the vehicle's settings based on driving conditions like mud, sand, or rock. This makes the FJ Land Cruiser one of the most capable off-roaders in its segment, while still offering impressive fuel economy and reduced emissions thanks to hybrid technology. The transmission is a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic that balances on-road comfort with off-road ruggedness. Paired with Toyota's crawl control and downhill assist control systems, the FJ can handle steep descents and uneven terrains with confidence. The suspension system uses independent double wishbones in the front and a solid axle in the rear, equipped with coil springs and optional adaptive dampers, enhancing both comfort and off-road prowess. Approach and departure angles are optimized for off-roading, and the underbody protection is extensive, making sure key components are shielded from rocks and debris. Stepping inside the cabin, the 2026 FJ Land Cruiser blends retro charm with futuristic tech. The dashboard is squared off and vertical, with rugged grab handles and large, tactile buttons that can be used even with gloves on. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster sits in front of the driver, while a high-resolution 14-inch infotainment display is centrally mounted and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Toyota's latest infotainment software is fast, intuitive, and designed for both urban and off-road settings. Physical knobs for climate control and drive modes add to the usability factor, especially during off-road expeditions. The seats are designed with durability and comfort in mind. Upholstery options include water-resistant materials that are easy to clean, and the front seats come heated and ventilated as standard on higher trims. The rear seats fold flat to create additional cargo space, and there are tie-down points in the rear for securing gear. The cabin is surprisingly spacious despite the compact proportions, with thoughtful storage solutions throughout. USB-C ports, wireless charging, and a premium audio system are all available, making sure passengers remain connected and entertained whether in the city or the wilderness. Toyota has also paid close attention to safety. The 2026 FJ Land Cruiser comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision warning, pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, and road sign recognition. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a surround view camera system help enhance visibility and confidence during tight parking or technical trail maneuvers. Off-road specific camera angles and a digital rearview mirror also aid the driver in challenging environments. Customization is another big win for the FJ Land Cruiser. Toyota offers a wide variety of accessories including roof racks, LED light bars, upgraded suspension kits, winches, and off-road tires straight from the factory or approved dealers. Color choices range from earthy tones like desert tan and forest green to vibrant shades like electric blue and sunset orange, with contrasting white or black roofs depending on the package. Driving the 2026 FJ Land Cruiser is an experience that bridges the gap between modern refinement and old-school adventure. On-road, it feels composed and comfortable with reduced cabin noise and a well-tuned suspension that soaks up bumps without feeling floaty. Off-road, it transforms into a beast, climbing over rocks, fording streams, and handling inclines with ease. The steering is precise enough for city driving, yet responsive on trails. Thanks to the hybrid powertrain, throttle response is immediate, and torque delivery is strong at low speeds where it matters most for trail work. In a world increasingly dominated by crossovers and soft rotors, the return of the FJ Land Cruiser is a bold move by Toyota. It's a vehicle built for enthusiasts, adventurers, and those who believe that driving should be about more than just getting from point A to B. It's about the journey, the terrain, and the stories you gather along the way. With its combination of heritage styling, modern tech, hybrid power, and true off-road ability, the 2026 FJ